people, welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I present you INGOT Coin. INGOT. What is INGOT Coin has to do? But please, before I continue, remember I am not your financial advisor. Do what you want to do, make your own decision. But note that I've made a lot of research about this ICO. All the ICOs I present to you, I make a lot of research on them, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Now, I know you want to know more about INGOT Coin. I'm going to play a video to you from their team, and we'll see what it's all about. Please watch.
We have been in the financial market since 1993. Based on our customer need, we created our INGOT Coin. Our INGOT Coin is the way to link between the crypto world and the financial market.
The IC ecosystem is a one-for-all application, which means when you fill out and send in an application, the relevant departments will open up 4 accounts: the IC Digital Bank, the IC Wallet, the IC Brokerage account, and the IC Exchange account. The extensive KYC and AML procedures will ensure that there's no leaking of unethical or illegal money into the ecosystem, while maintaining and ensuring no market manipulation for the prices.
Our aim is to build a one-stop shop ecosystem that will increase the transparency in the financial markets. We will make all the trades available on a decentralized ledger, which will provide our community participants an efficient and equal distribution of information that they can use to value their investment opportunities.
Investors will have a gateway that will enable them to enter and exit different markets. So whatever the current market state is, they can easily allocate their funds into the asset type they choose.
We believe that blockchain technology will increase the efficiency in the current traditional financial markets, as it could be used to move assets between peers without the assistance of any intermediaries, therefore cleaning up the supply chain and removing borders between countries.
The INGOT Coin ecosystem will add value by making the trading process more cost-efficient, less timely, and available around the clock. And that will all be done by utilizing the blockchain technology and eliminating all issues associated with intermediaries such as high fees and time consumption.
INGOT Coin will provide expansive market access to all participants, whether it's the beginner or the advanced trader and participant. Therefore, INGOT Coin will have no bias towards any participant, whether it's based on the size of the trade or the type of order. INGOT Coin will also provide its own cryptocurrency and listed on different exchanges, including its own exchange.
The current landscape of liquidity in the crypto market is disintegrated. Every exchange offers different prices based on their liquidity. IC ecosystem, and especially the IC exchange, aims to pool all of these liquidities along with the IC liquidity pool in order to ensure high efficiency and eliminate any arbitrage opportunities.
At INGOT Group, we live by our values. Our values are integrity, honesty, open communication, customer satisfaction, continuous learning, and social responsibility.
Man, this is huge. This is huge. And just check how many views they have. 439,000. You know, this is huge. People are really bullish about this, and they have 2.4k subscribers already, you know, on YouTube. So you've been able to see what they hope to achieve. But I don't know if you noticed something. Now, everyone, like, this is the founder. This is the founder. You can see all the team members here are having an interview, telling you a lot about their project. This is what I love about ICO. If I can see the team member giving an interview, showing their face up, it shows it is not a scam. It is not a scam. You can buy this, invest in this ICO, and go to sleep and know your money is not lost. I believe these people are real. There is not a Mickey Mouse ICO. It's not just a small project. It is real. Now, let's go down. The IC already will start in 9 hours, and we can go down here. Go down. This is what they say. You can find that in the video. INGOT Coin is the first fully integrated blockchain-based wallet with a digital bank, brokerage, exchange, certifier, and initial coin offering accelerator. All of these is put together into INGOT Coin, and those who invest can get involved all of this together. You can go down more. Let's go to this Imam Mutlak. She was in the video. You can see the team board here, one after another, one after another, one after another. You can see them here. So this is a whole community. This is huge. This is huge. These are the advisors. You can find them here. And you can check them out on Twitter, on Facebook, on Telegram, on YouTube, on Medium, Bitcoin Talk, and all the rest. Let's go to their white paper. This is my INGOT Coin white paper 2018. You can find. I've gone through the white paper. It's well detailed. And as always, I always check. I do my background check on white papers. If it is real, it is unique. If it's copy and paste or not. This is real, just unique. And this is a plus for them. I really like this. It is unique. It's not copy and paste. It's not copy and paste at all. It is a real ICO. It's not copy and paste at all. Now, let's go to their Telegram. They have 99,069 members, ladies and gentlemen. This is humongous. This is huge. Almost 100,000 members. Very little ICO. Very little ICO has this number on the Telegram. I can assure you. Very little have this on their ICO. So you can see it's getting a lot of hype, and that is good for all of us. This is 19K, 19,300 followers. Boy, oh boy. Now, you can see them here. Check it out on ICO mark 9.1 over 10. That's good. That's good. So, now, the ICO price is IC, that is the INGOT coin, is $1. They accept US dollar, fiat currency, Ethereum, they accept Ripple, they accept Bitcoin. The soft cap they hope to achieve is $37 million and the hard cap is $19 million. This is huge. It's based on Ethereum platform ERC20 token. And they are selling 120 million token. Now, let's go. Yeah, this is the dashboard. When you log in, when you sign up, and please, if you want to sign up, please, my referral link is down below. Just click on it, and you'll be able to sign up for INGOT Coin. And when you sign up, you are going to have this as your dashboard, and here you can purchase your coin. This is your KYC. You can buy token here. You can buy token. So, but now is asking for my KYC. Once that is done, you'll be able to buy token. Now let's go here. Alexa ranking. I like checking this. Now, this is the Alexa ranking. They are mostly checked from Saudi Arabia. And you can share most of the team member advisors are Arabs, so I'm not surprised. Saudi Arabia is really involved. India, Turkey, the Arabs, Algeria, Egypt. This is a whole bunch of ICO from the Arab world, and they are getting involved. Only India, little, not, but Turkey, Algeria, Egypt, fine. So it's good. So it's well hyped. Let's go to the who is. They registered February 2018 and it's expiring 2019. 1 year. I don't really like 2 years or 3 years, but it doesn't matter. I can see this team member here, so this makes me more comfortable about it. Now, what is ICO reviews view on INGOT Coin? I love this project. I love this ICO. The team member is huge, and I can seal them well. I can watch the interview. So I'm going for this. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Do what you want to do. Make your own decision. And please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and my referral is down below. Just click on the referral and sign up for INGOT Coin. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you guys. And until next time, this is ICO Reviews.